Hi there! Today we are going to make a nature drawing. Can you guess what that is? Well, yes, let's see in our book. We see beautiful flowers right here. And yes, we are going to make them today. At first, let's start by making this small circle right here. And then make another circle around it. Try and keep them at equal distance. Yes, we will try and make smaller circles and bigger circles around it. Do you know why are we doing this? Yes, so that we can make the petals of the same size for all our flowers. After that, let's start making the stem slowly. Once we are done with that, let's start making these petals. Yes, we will touch them to the circle right here. Continue making them in a better way now. Let's make this slowly and nicely and complete all the petals for the flowers. And then start joining the stem or put it behind the one which we have made here. We will learn a lot of overlapping right here. Go slow while making it and make these buds. This looks amazing. Let's continue making them lightly with the help of our pencil first. Continue making the overlapping leaves now. This looks amazing. Make the petals of the bud slowly. And then continue making the entire drawing in a similar way. Yes, let's complete this. Even if it's a little different from what it's mentioned here, that's completely alright. You can use your creativity and make these leaves as well. This looks amazing. The next part is going to be very interesting. We are going to take our pencil color and start doing the outline. Yes, we will make it a lot more better with this one now. you can erase the pencil marks slightly and continue making this. Go very slow while making this and complete all the stems in a similar way. In order to have a darker tone, we need to press the pencil color on top of the paper. So let's do that. Also, keep a sharpener handy so that you can sharpen it whenever your point is blunt. Continue making on top of these pencil marks nicely. This looks great. Complete the leaves and the stem with the dark green color. Once we are done with that, we will switch to maroon color or dark pink color. Let's start by making the outline darker and make these lines inside. After that, we will give a little bit of wrinkles on the above part and then color inside very lightly. There are going to be a few parts which are going to be white in color. Yes, we can leave them white as well and then start making these dots on top of each petal. Continue making this nicely. Yes, in a similar way. All we have to do is make an outline first and then color inside very lightly. Continue coloring the same way now. Yes, for all the petals we see. Make these lines inside and then color lightly. And then make the dots inside. Just like how we are doing here. After that, we will use the same color for the outline of our next flower. Make strokes of this color and then color nicely. Yes, only in one direction. Always remember, we need a darker outline and the color is supposed to be done lighter inside. Continue coloring in a similar way for the other flowers as well. The next thing we do is take a yellow color and start coloring inside the circles. That's lovely. We will now take a dark green color and a light green color and start doing this here. At first, we will start with a darker green and then blend the lighter green with that. Yes, we will do one color on top of another. This looks interesting, isn't it? Can we continue doing this for other stem also? And yes, we will be doing this for the leaves as well. Press the color hard on top of the paper so that you can do a dark outline and then color lightly inside. If you want to have a nice shade, you can start with a darker color and then blend it with a lighter color. Continue coloring it in the same way. We will now start by doing this leaf. Again, we need to follow the same pattern. We need to start with the outline first and then color inside. Here too, we will only color in one direction so that it looks neat and clean. Finally, let's complete our last leaf. And look at that! Our entire drawing is ready. This looks beautiful, isn't it?